I want to encourage everybody to go on and support our team, which is called Growing Forward. There are a number of MLAs that are supporting it. It's for a great cause to ultimately win the battle against prostate cancer. So it will disappear again in a few short weeks, but anyone who would like to support us, I encourage you to go onto our website. In 2007, Terry McCullough and the Bay of Fundy Tourism Partnership, the Bay of Fundy came forward for a global recognition as something so that the rest of the world would truly know what we've already known, that it is a wonder of nature. At that time, we were thrilled to be one of more than 440 entrants from around the world. When the pack was narrowed down to just 28 in 2009, the Bay of Fundy was still there, and we knew that the momentum was building. Now, with just 4 days remaining until the end of the campaign, we see that the tide continues to rise for our Bay. And actually, before I came down here, I went on the website one more time just to check to see where we were from a momentum point of view. And it's still showing green, which is phenomenal. On November 11th at 11:11 Greenwich Standard Time, which is 7:11 a.m. here in Atlantic Canada, voting will be over. We've seen such passion and pride for our Bay over the past weeks and months, and we've seen Canadians step forward to adopt this as truly a national icon. Nous avons établi des partenariats avec Via Rail, Air Canada, Bay Ferries et des membres de l'industrie touristique au Nouveau-Brunswick et en Nouvelle-Écosse. Cela nous a permis de mieux promouvoir cette merveille naturelle connue anciennement comme la baie française. Our Tourism and Parks Minister, Trevor Holder, who's with me this morning, and his colleague from Nova Scotia, Mr. Percy Paris, announced a text voting option this past February in Halifax during the Winter Games. Hundreds gathered in St. John at the St. John waterfront in June to create a giant 7 and meet Bernard Weber, the founder of the new Seven Wonders Foundation. CTV's Canada AM aired live from Hopeful Rocks in September to help us promote the Bay, and their hosts joined other Canadian celebrities to promote the Bay on YouTube. And most recently, I had the privilege of joining Rick Mercer on a jet boat ride in St. John that left us all soaked, white-knuckled, and totally exhilarated. We've seen a groundswell of support from civil servants, students, community leaders throughout this incredible campaign. We know that we have a natural wonder right here, and it's truly been a treat to show it off to the rest of the world. You know, whether we're formally recognized as one of these new 7 wonders of nature at the end of this global campaign or not, we have gained a great deal more by actively promoting the Bay of Fundy region, more than we've ever done before. Le Nouveau-Brunswick fait la promotion